welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos, you guys. So if any of those things interest you, definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, do not forget to click the post notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. So by the title, you guys, we are doing a holiday glam. I wanted to do a soft glam. I thought this was going to be a soft glam, but this is just a little bit, it's like a level up from a soft glam, but it came out so pretty. And I used one of my favorite colors, rose gold, so I was excited about that. And I paired it with like these, I don't know, like these palm burgundy lips, I don't know. But if you want to see how I got this makeup look, definitely stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be starting out doing my brows. I will have everything down in the description box below because I did not show you each product in this video because I do it so much and I've done it so much in my past videos. So what I'm going to do is just let the music play while I do my brow and my face routine, and then I'm going to come back for the eyes and we're going to go in details on how I got this look. Alright you guys, so I'm going to be starting out by prepping my eyes. I'm going to be using a concealer to just make everything like one color. And I also went in with a lighter concealer because I really wanted this eyeshadow to be very vibrant and to pop on my skin tone. So I'm just applying this to the lids, and then I'm going to go in with a setting powder, you guys, and I'm going to be setting so we won't have any like streaking. And then the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is the Morphe 9C Jewel Crew palette. I had this for a while, but I'm going to be taking rock out in this palette, you guys, and I'm going to be applying it to the outer portions and the inner portions of my eye. We are going to be creating a halo eyeshadow look. So yeah, you want to just pretty much stamp, I don't want to say like glide or anything, you want to stamp that color on and get it how you like it. And then I'm going to be going in Rich Girl, and I'm going to be building up pretty much the eyelids and how I want. I didn't want this to be like a purpley pinky look because I know I was using rose gold, but I don't know, I didn't want it to be like too brown at the same time. So that was Rock Out and Rich Girl that I'm using. And I'm just pretty much going to just be building up. So next I'm going to be using Chocolate Diamond to deepen those areas, and just to give the eyes a little bit more of like a sultry look, a little bit more structure. And I'm going back in with Rock Out, and I'm placing that closer to the center of my eye. And this is like very easy to do. Like, I used to think halo eyes was super hard to achieve. I used to try to do like the cut crease thing, but I like, okay, yeah, it's just too much work. So I found an easier way thanks to YouTube, how to do a halo eye. You're literally just applying color to your inner and your outer, and then you can go in with a darker shade eyeshadow to deepen it, and then you can pop your pretty shimmer color on the middle, and y'all, that is your halo eye. All right, so the star of the show is going to be this hard candy like glitter eyeshadow set. Like, I can't remember the name of it, but again, things will be down below. And I chose the rose gold set. Y'all, when I say this is like so pretty, they have gold, and I think they had another color, but I didn't want to do gold because, again, I didn't want to do the classic Christmas look. So when I seen rose gold, baby, you see it right. When I seen that rose gold, I was like, yep, that's it. That's what I'm doing. And it was super smooth. Like, hard candy has been around for such a long time. I don't even think people know that it exists, but I remember when I first got into makeup, hard candy was the thing. So yeah, we're just gonna watch. We're just gonna be applying like the rose gold, like that liquid color first, and then we're going to be doing our glitter. Alright you guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what do you like about the look. Do you like the lips? Do you like the eyes? Girl, is it the whole face? Alright, I wanted to give you guys something holiday-ish without using like the classic colors and doing the classic red lip this year. So I hope you guys enjoy that. As always, you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified each time I upload a video. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.